How to create MDF decorative panel using CAD, ArtCAM, and CNC BGMTech App. First, use AutoCAD app to create pattern and measure of each decorative panel. But before we proceed, first, look at the FCD's elevation plan and section. It is best to take your own measurements to verify that the dimensions are precisely recorded on site, reduce the possibility of errors in the construction process, and learn about any other factors that might have an impact on the panel's design. Verify the pattern based on the approved, commented plan as well. I make 5 terminations in this design: 2 side panels, 2 haunch panels, and 1 crown panel. Each termination has 4 panel segments. In side wall panels, I created 4 segments. I mirrored the other right side wall panel because they are the same pattern, but there is a discrepancy in length of about 25 millimeters. The 2 haunch is also in 4 segment panels, and the crown has 4 segmental panels. Therefore, I need to create 20 panels for 5 terminations in this arcaded MDF decorative. Bakit nga ba putol-putol or segmental ang ginawa natin? Well, the standard size of MDF board is 1220 by 2440 millimeters, and thickness varies. In our design, the dimension of our decorative panel is longer than the standard size of board. In this case, segmental is necessary to do. Vividly analyze the transition of pattern in each termination so as to avoid any inconsistency of running pattern. Kung may nakita kang mali sa dugtungan ng panel, maaari kang mag-adjust ng width or length. Nasa sa iyo kung paano mo i-analyze ang bawat dugtungan ng panel. Now that we're done in CAD of all 20 panels, we must save each of them as DXF file. I save natin ang older version kasi old version din na app ang gagamitin natin next. Second app to use is ArtCAM. Use ArtCAM to create 3D relief or toolpaths. I use older version since free lang siya. If meron kayo new version, mas maganda, open the ArtCAM app. Click Create New Model, set the standard material size to be used. Click Vector tab, select Import, and choose DXF File panel. The file is imported already. Now select the vector file. But in this design, there is 2 selections. The object for outside cut and the other for inner cut. I select end mill 6 millimeters since I will be using 6 millimeter router bit in the machine. For step over, leave it as is. While for step down, you can customize how many rotations do you want to finish the cut. The ideal rotation of bit for woodworking MDF and plywood is 3 or more rotation, but it will vary also on the design. Follow the steps. If you're done with the toolpaths, simulate it to check. Save toolpaths as Model Master 3-axis flat MMG. third and final app to use is BGMTech App. Before we proceed, we must set our material board first in our BGMTech machine. For more vivid instruction, kindly see the link below. Open BGMTech App, click All Access back to Home. Open the vacuum and spindle. Set origin in the material board. If origin is set already, it must click these 4 tabs. Then click Origin F8 tab. Click Load F1 tab. Insert file in MMG format. Click Simulate F3 tab. See, your created design are now in BGMTech App, and it's ready for cutting. Click Start F9. You can see in the app where the cutting is made. You can master all these steps by learning how to manipulate the app daily. I fast forward ko na para matapos na natin. Pero kung ayaw mo pa matapos tayo, samahan mo ako sa susunod na video. Salamat tunun sa pagdalan.